everyone, this is Doreen with DL Lane Photography. In today's video, I will share Elvis's and Presley's cage setups along with my cleaning routine. I am not sponsored in any way. I only mention the products I use as an FYI. These are the only products I use for cleaning the bird cages. I use white vinegar and water to clean off the perches, the cages, and the training table. I use Dawn dish soap for their food and water dishes. But if they get poop on their dishes, I will use the vinegar instead. I use F10 on the cage and perches if I know I'll have enough time for it to dry before the birds come into contact with it. Here's Elvis's cage. I have avian sun lamps with the full spectrum bulbs for both cages. I have the lamps on timers for 3 hours throughout the day. Birds need the light, however, too much can cause blindness. I've placed a piece of wood over their food station so that when they're on top of their cages, they don't get poop in their food. I use all natural wood perches for them, and I like the Bird Tricks perches the best. They like these little platform perches at their doors. I get their toys from Bird Tricks also. They are all natural without any bells or fibers that can be a swallowing hazard to birds. I use stainless steel for all their food dishes and wash them daily. They both love their Boeing perches. I got those from Planet Pleasures. Next is Presley's cage. I'll only point out what is different on her cage. I use sisal rope to attach to the cage since Presley likes to do a lot of climbing. Presley likes to throw her food on the floor, and we were finding some of her seeds out in the middle of the room and stepping on them in our stocking feet. This does not feel good. So we installed a piece of plexiglass to the cage in front of her food dish. It's not 100%, but it cuts way back on the mess on the floor. You can see how big the pieces of Presley seed is versus Elvis's, and this is what our floor looks like. So you can see how Presley's food would just blend right in. I was using a lot of paper towels to pick up their poop throughout the day, so I started cutting them into smaller pieces. I use a paint scraper to scrape off their dry poop. Then vacuum up the loose debris, and then use the F10 to sanitize. I spot clean as needed every day, and then do a full clean every 2 days. Better than it was. Then I scrape the perches and use vinegar and water to wipe everything off. For the stray pellets and pellet dust, I use a bulb blower that I had extra from my camera cleaning kit. I also use it to blow the empty seed husks from their food dishes. I shake the dish so that the heavy seeds go to the bottom. And then use the blower for the seed husk, so that what is left is still good seed. I use my vacuum to remove the little white down feathers that like to stick to their cages. Then I use a microfiber cloth dampened with vinegar and water to wipe down the outside and the inside of their cages. Next, I pull out the old liner then the floor grate, and vacuum the crevices and the tray. Then slide the grate back into place and put a fresh liner back in. Thank you for stopping by and watching my video. If you like our videos, please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, and Elvis Presley and I will see you again soon.